Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest financial calendar on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Economic reports will be relatively sparse at the beginning of the next trading week, so investors will be rather focused on political news, with markets continuing to digest last week's macroeconomic reports and technical indicators signals. However, starting from Wednesday, the stream of statistical data will increase. Fundamental analysts will become more active after the UK Statistical Office will release its reports on GDP growth and manufacturing production. The previous report showed a 0.3% increase in British GDP in July, up from June's levels and better than economists had expected. However, markets showed no reaction to such a positive signal on the back of no sufficient progress in Brexit talks and amid weak industrial output data. Markets are quite optimistic ahead of August figures, predicting that the UK economic growth will accelerate and industrial production will increase. In case the expectations are met, the sterling has all chances to take an upward path. Meanwhile, the United States will unveil on Thursday its consumer inflation data and producer prices figures. Last month, this report discouraged investors. Instead of a slight slowdown to 3.2% in annual terms, producer prices growth slowed to 2.8%. The US dollar also showed a major decline. Its index lost about 30 pips. However, this is likely not to be the case this time. The consensus forecast suggests a 0.1% increase in producer prices on a monthly basis and a flat reading year on year. And these were the major economic reports scheduled for release early next week. But traders should keep track of other reports as well. On Monday, for example, the data on activity in China's services sector will be out. The Chinese government has been committed to the economic reform, placing emphasis on the services sector. On Tuesday, the British Retail Consortium will unveil its retail sales report, which will reveal consumers' willingness to spend money. And on Wednesday, Canada's construction sector figures will be published. And this was the latest financial calendar on Insta TV. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.